beaches, peace of mind. Miami Beach beneath the sun, where endless dreams have just begun. Ocean whispers calm and free, blue skies dancing with the sea. Every breeze can set you free, a place where life is meant to be. Come away with snowball adventures, travel in harmony, travel with wonder. Feel the sunshine on your face, every moment, every place. Florida's jewels, forever true, golden sands and endless blue. Close your eyes and drift away, paradise is here to stay. Palm trees moving with the wind, every sunset gently begins. Morning light on emerald waves, a peaceful world the ocean gave. Take your time, just breathe it in, let a brand new life begin. Every shoreline tells a story, every sunrise shines with glory. Leave your worries far behind, let the sea refresh your mind. Every journey starts with you, under skies forever blue. Come away with snowball adventures, every journey filled with pleasure. Crystal waters, golden light, Miami Beach feels so right. Florida's treasures call your name, every sunset looks the same. Peace and freedom by the sea, this is where you're meant to be. Golden sunshine on my skin, ocean breeze, let the day begin. Palm trees dancing to the summer sky, no worries here, just you and I. White sand shining like a dream, life is better than it seems. Every wave is calling me to this endless melody. We're living in a crystal blue paradise, where the sun kisses the sea so nice. Palm trees swaying, hearts set free, this is where we're meant to be. White sand fading with the tide, love and laughter side by side. Sunset paints the world in gold, a story only some are told. Under the moon the stars align, your heart forever next to mine. The waves keep singing soft and slow to the only home we'll ever know. We're living in a crystal blue paradise, where the sun kisses the sea so nice. Palm trees sway and hearts set free. This is where we're meant to be. White sand, clear water, endless skies. Every moment feels alive. Hold my hand, don't let it fade. Forever in this paradise we'll stay. Crystal waters, endless skies. Forever our paradise. Palm trees whisper, waves collide. We'll chase the summer for all our lives.
Crystal waters softly shine,
Golden beaches, peace of mind.
Miami Beach beneath the sun,
Where endless dreams have just begun.
ocean whispers calm and free.
Blue skies dancing with the sea.
Every breeze can set you free.
A place where life is meant to be.
Slow it down,
Let it in.
feel the warm air on your skin.
Take my hand, we'll glide away.
Toward a softer kind of day.
Come away with snowball adventures.
Travel in harmony,
Travel with wonder. Feel the sunshine on your face.
every moment, every place.
Florida's jewels, forever true.
Golden sands and endless blue.
Close your eyes and drift away.
Paradise is here to stay.
Palm trees moving with the wind. Every sunset gently begins. Morning light on emerald waves, a peaceful world the ocean gave. Take your time, just breathe it in. Let a brand new life begin.
Every shoreline tells a story.
Every sunrise shines with glory. Leave your worries far behind. Let the sea refresh your mind. Every journey starts with you, under skies forever blue. Come away with snowball adventures.
Every journey filled with pleasure.
Crystal waters, golden light.
Miami Beach feels so right.
Florida's treasures call your name.
Every sunset looks the same.
Peace and freedom by the sea.
This is where you're meant to be.
softly shine. Golden beaches, peace of mind. Miami Beach beneath the sun, where endless dreams have just begun. Ocean whispers calm and free, blue skies dancing with the sea. Every breeze can set you free, a place where life is meant to be. Come away with snowball adventures, travel in harmony, travel with wonder. Feel the sunshine on your face, every moment, every place. Florida's jewels, forever true, golden sands and endless blue. Close your eyes and drift away, paradise is here to stay. Palm trees moving with the wind, every sunset gently begins. Morning light on emerald waves, a peaceful world the ocean gave. Take your time, just breathe it in. Let a brand new life begin. Every shoreline tells a story, every sunrise shines with glory. Leave your worries far behind, let the sea refresh your mind. Every journey starts with you, under skies full